Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will learn about the logic creation in TIA Portal V16. We will learn about this logic creation, how to make small logics in the TIA Portal V16, and I am using PLC S7-1200. Because of with all lectures, first of all we go to the online and diagnostic, and then we go to the accessible devices, and here first we go to the start search. First this data must be Profinet and your PLC model, and here now he detects the one PLC which is connected to our system 192, that's the IP address, and that the click on show. Today we will make one small project for traffic light signal. How we can make the traffic light signals when you are going to market or somewhere on the road, have some traffic signals you are showing on the road. How they make that program, today we will learn. That's the model which is CPU 1215C DC relay, that's I have, and that article number this one, and version I will use 4.4, and then select OK. Now our PLC is ready, and this hardware we have to be first download to the PLC, and then we will start the program creation, and step by step I will give you hundreds of examples in the programs how we can create a logic in the PLC. Logic is the more important factor in the PLC, because if you understand about all things and every commands, bits, everything are in hardware, you are maybe mastering the hardware panel creation, all things, but if you don't know the logic, you can't make the program. So I start this system because of slowly one by one small projects when we discussed, after you can better understand in the program. First of all I take my one from bit logic. Here also we can take, and here also we can take, have a favorite any contacts which are you most using in the program, that you can take it from here. For example, this is the NO contact and this NC contact, and also have one coil, and if you also need this set reset here in favorites, you can drop it here. After you can use from here any command you like to make in your favorite area, this is also you can select. And first of all I take my one open contact bit, I give it name, the address I0.0 that, and that tag name also you like to create, you can continuously with this area to understand. I give this tag name my start program, here to start PLGRA, I give the name my start program, because of when you first of all, from where we start means when you like to start that signal, you have to one switch have to be make it on and off, and that switch will be, you can give the name start program or any name you can define in PLC. That my first bit is started from I0.0, and second I will take it here my first bit, that the Q0.0, and this tag name also we can replace with any for you can say this is the red light, for example, red light, red red light. We will give in code words better, because after name will be long takes and take it your more memory, and no problem, we will make it here and red. Otherwise you like to name give complete, this complete name also you can give any LIGST lead. It's depend on your choice. And secondly we will start this, here is a one timer, and in second row we will go, no problem. Or if you like to start in this only in one row like to you make, you can make, but if you like to make in another row also you can make, but I will, for explanation I will make it in one network, because after you better understand. This is here in this network I will make this program. That's first contact when started my this one, and one here I make one timer, yani you have to be go to the timer operations, and I will make it use one on delay timer. And this also you can give the name of data block, what's name you like to give. I give the name this one, set value VALUE, set value set underscore VL, because of this directly num not take time. In build object he says this data block now name time set single instance, same name he says define. First no, you can say this one, because this original name is this one. First you have to be click it's okay. After you like to change the name, you have to rename data block, yani red light timer, and symbol we can define, no problem. That's it's not issue. Here this one I give I0.0, because of anywhere when like to be execution make the first may have to be I0.0 have to be on. If it's not on, another secondly any chapter will must be not on. That's I give the time 8 seconds. 8 seconds I will gives the time, and here I make it my second light have to be on, because when this Q0.0 on, after that one timer will be run, and after one must be second q0.1 I will define for second light on. This I give the name, can give the name red, after which is running yellow, YELLW, yellow light, yellow light, yellow light. Because when red signal is already in red condition, after first time when have to go to be green, firstly starts the yellow light, and well after some times yani yellow light stops, after that runs the green light. And first we give this name yellow lights q0.1, and in third row we will use the green indication. Here also I take one more branch, and here one more branch I will use. And here what I do, first as per also I give my open contact I0.0, I0.0, because this is my execution of my program. And after one more timer we have to be start. For green indication I will take one more timer here. We'll take one more timer. Oh, this is go to there. I will fix it here. And this timer I will start for green. This I will put 3 seconds time, no problem. And here I will give that one my output for q0.2, and this tag name also I will rename, and that's I will give the green LED light G, green light LIGHT, green light. That's the name I give, green light. And this I time fix for this green light. When green light will come, after we have to be repeat this function for green light, this one for on. And next in one we take this also one more here, take row for any repeat, any when green is running, after we go back to the this I will row made, and here it I take my open contact, and here I take my one timer, and here I give my one coil for input. That's as per old. I take this I0.0, and here I give 8 seconds, anytime we can give, and here I give this name. Any internal memory, any relay I can choose, or for example I am 0.0 I will choose to repeat the function of this our repeat the function of our system. Yani. For example, when this timer will be when running from with I0.0, that our M0.0 will be when energized, and that M0.0 will be we take it upside the interlock for close contact from for the main our first light red light. Here simply in first row we will choose close contacts for yani when we start the yani first timer, that one red light timer, and that others we don't run. So here we use the close contacts. First I use this one close contact, one more I will take, and one more I will take. First one this is I will take that Q0.0 to Q0.2, and that one I will take Q0.1 Q0.1, and that's I will take M0.0 because of that contact why I am using for this total system for restart. Yani see yani when this timer will be energized, and this when how much time after we need to be run this green light, and after when M0.0 will be on, after our this contact will be energized, and when this any relay will be on. Now it's for example yani think about this is an open condition, close condition sorry, and this close contact is running. Your supply will be passed from here, and also we need to our Q0.1 must be off in off condition, and our Q0.2 also be need in off condition. So when this is off, its close contact will be working. When this one is off, this contact also will be working. So when we give the signal from I0.0, that our power supply will be passed to the Q0.0, and when Q0.0 will be running, after our this timer will be energized for 8 seconds. When this is for 8 seconds running, after this Q0.0 will be off, and that next Q0.1 will be start. And what we will be used this one next. In this one Q0.1 we have to be give also here one close contact for Q0.2, because of if Q0.2 will be not here interlock we will make this both will be run one time. Here we have to be give Q0.2 close contact. After this will be not energized, and first here also we have to be give one more contact for that M0.0, because of when have to be going to reset condition, that Q0.1 also have to be stop, and Q0.2 also be go to be stop. I will take it here one open contact, open or close. I think close we have to be used. That's here we have to be close used M0.0 because of when this all system will be repeated, after that M0.0 here also have to be stopped, and here also have need to be stopped this timer because of any other Q0.1, or for example that green light also have to be stopped, this also have to be stopped, and only this need to be run, right? And in next row also we have to be same as it here, we have to be give one more close contact. Q0.2, here have we will make some another program because of when it's running after this coil have need to be energized. I think so. Here we give one data register MD 10 we will give MD10 one data register gives, or any we can use. Here also we have to be given one data register, and here also we have to be given one data register MD10, the first one. Here we give MD20 because this is the LPAS time when seeing it here. So that time we have to be compare with this timer, because if not comparing, after this will be not run properly. For 1 minute I will take one more here command for comparator commands. We will go, this is the counter operation, this is our comparator commands. Here we will use one comparator command, here not use, we will use it here, comparator command, greater than and less than, because of when our this timer takes the time, when this process time will finished, after this time same like is running at this output of this timer, this will need to be here comparison MD10 when equals that 8 seconds, we will give the here 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. After this our timer have to be energized for this Q0.2. Same as in next, here also one more we have to be give this one close contact for this one M0.0, because of this also we have to be stop in stop condition. If this will be going to reset condition, this don't have to be start. M0.0 we have to be give it here M0.0. Once let's this finish M0.0, and same as we will use this next row, we will make it one here comparison line. Here we use this one, this MD20 we used, this we used MD20, and here one more we will take here comparator command that greater or equal than this one, and here I give MD20, and when this equals with 3 seconds, this timer have to be energized. And as per this one, also we have to be here one giving close contact for our M0.0 M0.0 because of M0.0 we not give when this is energized. M0.0 when on, this all will be stopped, this also stopped, this also stopped. Here also if you need any data register you can put, if you don't need the data register you no need to put here any data register. I think so. Now 8 seconds here 3 seconds, and here our 8 seconds for this one red light. I think so. Now our program is complete. One more time we will see. This timer also you can give the name. This is red light timer. This you can rename the data block green light, GR green light timer, timer. How much more efficient or how much more reliable you can make your own design. This one, what's the name of this timer? This is green. No, sorry. This is for yellow light. This is for green. GRW green LGT green light web timer. Because of why he is saying, I will make it here one dot, because he thinks this is the same one timer you are choosing in the one line. This one is green and this one is yellow. This way we give the, this way make it rename this one, rename data block that green yellow 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 light timer. This is green light and this is yellow light. Because of when this green light is running, this timer will be running. So now all is complete, I think so. We will download this program to the PLC and let's check it's have any problem, that's our good program or not. Don't know. And go to the simulation. Oh yeah, my I0.0 is already on, I think so. But our program is, yes. This is now our red light is running. For 8 seconds, our Q0.0 have to be go on. This is now, it's okay. And now our Q0.2 is running. Yeah, a green light. And when its time is finished, after it's go back our that Q0.0 is running. Our program is running in 100% condition and everything is good. See, I will make it little 90 75%. I will make this one because after you better little understand about. See, this is our, now this green light is running. After this time our red light goes to be back. Now red light is running. Now 8 seconds after our yellow light will be running, and 3 seconds after our Q0.2 this is green light will be running. After this repeat the process, our this go back to the red light, and as you stop the execution of your I0.0 your whole program process will be stopped. Yani this is, I think so, very simple method in 100% I will do in this function. And for more like to making this efficient, this program, you can more adding the system. If you want this also, one more thing I like to tell you, this if you this need data, for example, that client have requirement when at the cross of the roads, one area he says I need the HMI for my time running. I like to see what's time which signal have how much time is running. So I need to see this data at my HMI screen or pad or whatever, you like to see the display. So what you do, you have to simply go it in here this timers, and here you can choose the data blocks. In previous lectures already I discussed about this data blocks, how we can create, but how one more time I will tell you. Just go to the directly in new blocks, add new blocks, and here you can choose your data block name. Also you can give, I will give that this name for red light timer, red light time set. I give this name data block and I will make it okay. And here I will give this define the one name, time I will put, no problem, time set, how much any like to time set. And this data register I will take in dword because of you like to giving any, and time set, and one I will make this, I will make a time set red. Here I will make Control C, V, Control V, Control V. I will make 4-5 data registers, no problem. That time set red, that time set yellow, that time set green, that time set green, red, yellow, green. Let's leave it. And this also you can make at retain condition. If your power supply is, for example, goes, after your data will be no loss, and this better for this must be this check marks clear for retain data. And go back hit here, and simply this one you go to this tags green light timer. We will that make which data block, red light time set, red light timer, this delete first, and we have to go data block. I think so we not make the still this red light time set, we make the name, this we will give red light time set. It's okay, no problem. This red light time set inside you can see this data registers, you can choose from here, because of we follow up the this name of data register. Here go to this here red light time data register, and here you time set green, time set red, time set yellow. This time set red you can give it here, and here you can go and take the red light time set inside red light green, this one, or yellow timer. the time set yellow, and here you can give this that's name red light time set inside the red light green time set. This data register you can put it here. Now at this data here also, if you need data register, you can put, if no light, MD 25 I will put, because of only you can see the display how much time is running. Yani this is, here is set value and this is a display value, you can see. And here also this tag, you can change this tag reset, that makes the change for a reset condition, yani to make program. And also one more thing, that MD20 is equals with which one, this you have to mention it here. See, for example, this red light time, the time set Y yellow we have to put, and this one MD20 is equal, or if you like to put this one, okay, no like to put, no need, I think so, because of here you can set the time. This data register you have to take at the HMI, and from there you have to make the set points, and this value will be comes to here. After this execution, that value determines that command no need to take out. This is only internal program. You can take only which data registers you need, yani which have to be used for customer, which data should have your personal use, that no like to give outside. Only give that data registers which you need, yani for customer. First of all, I will make this all in format. I will change to the decimal, because after you better understand this all things. This also display, I will change that in decimal. Click something wrong, in decimal, and that one also I will change the display format in decimal, and this also display and I will put in decimal, because of when you see the format in decimal, you better understand. This also change. Yes, this all we change. See now, for example, this how much time you like to first put this one, this red light, how much time you need. For example, 8 seconds you say, 5 seconds you write it here 5000, and this have to be put in decimal, because decimal value will be different shows. 5000 means this 5 second, and this one how much you needs, that green light for 3 seconds, for example. Go to the decimal, write it here 3 seconds, and this also you need how much, for 8 seconds. Go to the decimal and write it here 5000, and this we make it wrong, one have to be stop the execution, and we have to be write it here how much time we write it here. This time we have to be mention in command, yani this data register how much time after stop this one, this time you have to be mention it here, and here we have to be also give the data register. This time we will stop for MD10, we have to be use it here MD10, MD10 data register we have to be use with when equal with this till pass time. After this have to be go on, right? And this we need MD20. 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 No. I think so. Something we are making wrong. This don't need here. This how much time we set it here. This time we have to be shows it here. Not that's one we like to put it here. And it means that one equal. Because one time we will put inside the program and we will see what's happening. If not, remove this one and directly how much time you like to set it here. This time you can put it here. Make it simulation on. We will make it little smaller. Make 75% is better. Make it here. I will give the signal of my I0.0 that first is running and now it's stopped. Now second is not runs and third is directly running. Now see what's happening. Why this doing same like? Because of our some data we put inside the wrong. See here we put 5000. 5 seconds after this one, yellow light on, and our yellow light after when we compare with this data register MD10, after this have to be go on Q0.2. Because which time we fix it here, that time we need it here. Am I right? MD10. That's we will stop and this change this area. MD20, if this also we put this is, I think so. We have to put this data register only equals with the 5 seconds. If we put this 5 second and this we put 3 second, five second, 8 second, that 5 also no problem. Again download to the PLC and load. Make it simulation on. check the behavior. Now our second light is not on, third is on. That 5000 we put, that we put 3000. Our green light is now on, but after this 3 seconds, this time we put wrong it here, 5 seconds, here we have to put 3 seconds. 1 second. See now what's the problem inside our the program. That's we make the changes. That's we make the changes. That one I will make it with 3000. Now let's check with the execution. For example, I start my project. This Q0.0 is on. Now our Q0.1 is on, and after our Q0.2 is on, and when Q0.2 is on, after 3 seconds after our repeat our process, Q0.0 will be on. Same procedure it will be repeated after continuously. And which time you like to set any for example, this time you like to be set at 4 seconds. You can put it here 4 seconds, and if you like to change that time is here, that yellow light, for yellow light you can change it here 3 seconds. For example, I will put, you can change the continuous name. This data register you can take the HMI, and now it will be took 3 seconds. Because of this 3 seconds, when move it here, and after that 3 seconds, that 3 seconds move to here MD20, and MD20 when equals with MD40, this MD40 yani which is we put the process value for 3 seconds to that yellow light on, and when this time equal or greater than this MD20, this will be go back. For example, I put it this one for 2 seconds. I will put it here 2000 for yellow. Let's see, it will be 2 seconds after change his bit. And after, if you need this one time like to be changed, for example, that 4 seconds you put it here, you like to put it here 3 seconds, you can put it here 3000. When it goes to the 3 seconds, see that 3 seconds when converted here in MD10, and then when it's equal with 3 seconds, that will be go to the next light. Now our system is successfully running. First of all, our red light is Q0.0 is on. Second, our yellow light running 2 seconds. After, our green light runs for 2 seconds. Our green light time is set point is not this one, our set point is here. Because of when this MD10 is equals with MD30, after this Q0.0 goes to be on. For example, I put it here 5000 for example. that time will be changed. See, that's I change the 5000 time, and it will be change his connection after 5 seconds, or put it here in 6 seconds. 6000, it will be change his connection after 6 seconds. See, this now yellow light is running, this 2 seconds after this one off, and now this will be run after for 6 seconds. Time is running, that one yellow. Now see this, when time finished, repeat once again, we will see this one. Now our yellow light is running, now our green light is running. When 6 time is completed, 6 seconds after, this will be closed and goes to the reset condition. That 2 seconds when goes to here in MD20, and this will be make it the reset system. Yellow light on, now green on. Now go back this one, first our Q0.0, and when you stop this procedure, you will stop the execution of Q0.0. Your procedure will be stopped. And if sometimes traffic havaldar, or what name this guy, this have sitting at the on the road, he want to change this times, that data registers you can give him, and upside the right, this is the red light, this is the yellow light, this is the blue light, which when you giving him time for red light, you can mention it here name, yani this tag also you can change this tag, yani for stop the execution, and this tag also you can rename the tag here, rename the tag red light set time, that when you change, this will be here change, because when of he started that push button, that I0.0, after this data register do upside the HMI, you can write it here for red light set time. After how much he like to be changed, this he will be changed. How much time after stop this one, and after how much time stop for after this one yellow. But I think so no need, only bus giving the main time of the green light or this total time after you can give him. This later inshallah will be next lecture. I will show you the complete for 4 crosses at the road how to make. This is only the demo for this 3 indications how you can start. And when you rename the tag, you have to be must be download again, and that one again you can make the simulation on, and your tag will be completely worked, right? And as you start the simulation, your time will be starts from there, yani now red coil is started, now your yellow light is started, and 2 seconds after your third Q0.2 that will be started. Right, that second light, now your third light, and now it's go back again your Q0.0 red light, and this process will be complete repeated. And when you like to stop this, you make the stop switch button. I hope you understand about the signal light, how we can make. Anywhere you can use this program, there's nothing any about this only this red light, this is the your output coil. Yani here is what you like to put, you can put it here. Some for motors also, this program you can change the tag names and everything, and this you can use for your procedure for in washing machines, or where is motors coming in reverse condition, forward conditions. For example, this you can give for forward condition, this Q0.0, and this you can for reverse condition, this you use for this coil. And also if one more you using inside, this you can put the delay, you can use for this in this program. Various areas you can use this program for reverse forward conditions. Also if we change it here, that system in rising edge or something other, any push buttons if we need, you can use it in cranes, anywhere. Various areas, yani means you can use the programs. Look like if you need that complete program from me, I will give you this complete program. If you need any clarification, you not understand anything, send me the message in comment section. I will give you the feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for lot watching. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.